Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Dance and Styles. So guys, today I brought up with another haul video with one of the Instagram store named Jamin Jewel. They have some really trendy earring pieces, so I have got a handful of them. So I came here to show you all. I will be showing the screenshot of their profile here. Do check them out. I will be telling everything, the prices, everything in the video, and also the prices will be in the description box. Also their profile link will be in the description box. Do check them out. And yeah, let's get started. Before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more updates. And yeah, you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is creatorssoullife. The link will be in the description box. Do check that out for quick updates. So now, without wasting further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, speaking about their packaging, so again it comes in a plastic and they wrap everything in this box. Like, it's a good box. So you can use this box in later by keeping jewelries and everything. So the box is quite good. And yeah, I have some handful of them. So they all come in a plastic wrap. And yeah, let's start with the first earring. The first one is this earring I am wearing. Wait, let me show you. So I will be giving all the images in this side so you get a clear view, because sometimes the camera gets blurred. So yeah, this is the first earring. I love this. This is super lightweight, guys. The main thing is lightweight. You cannot wear heavy jewelries for long time, like for 2 to 3 hours, but these are quite lightweight. You can check this out. And I like this design, like simple, minimalistic. I like this design. And yeah, I am wearing this with this gown sort of anarkali dress, and this suits it really well, and I feel. So yeah, this is the first earring. I love this piece. So yeah, let's move on to the second one. So guys, speaking about the next piece is this one, like this one. Look, you guys know that I don't like too much of gold earrings, but I get one or two pieces from any of the stores. So this is some pearl detailing in here in the bottom. So I love this one. This is quite lightweight. You can wear this with your sari and kurta dresses and anything. So yeah, this is the second piece. You can get the image here due to the light focus, also the blur problem. Like, I have got so much of problems. You can get the image here and get clarified with the price and details. So yeah, this is the second one. So guys, speaking about the third piece is this one. I love this one, guys. Look at the design. Again, the image will be in this side. You can check it. So yeah, I love this design, guys. Look at this pearl details here. And yeah, this is some red, white and silver work going on, and this is perfect to wear with saris having some tropical or block prints. I love this one. I will be trying to style this with one or two pieces in the upcoming videos. So yeah, this is also quite lightweight, not too heavy. So guys, speaking about the fourth piece is this dainty piece of earring. I don't know if it is clear or not. So I will be showing the image here. This is really cute, guys. I love this. This has written friend over here, and I really love it. Like, it is a gold plated dainty piece. So I got this in a very cheap price according to Dainty Earrings. I love this. This is some mini pearl details going on in the side. So yeah, you can check this out. This is super lightweight. Like, if you can get the noise because of the paper, sorry. This is super lightweight. I would love to pair this with my jeans and everything. So yeah, check it out. So guys, speaking about the next piece is this one. Like, this is quite trendy. You can get this thing in every Instagram store, be it online, anywhere. Like, this is written Musafir over here, like this one. I don't know if it's clear. You can get the image, and this comes in like prices like above 100 or something. So you can check it. I love this piece. I love it. So guys, the next piece is my absolute favorite among all. Like, this is quite heavy, guys. This is quite heavy. This one, this thing. Guys, you know, this is the trendiest piece ever going on during this 2020. So yeah, I have got this. Like, I love this, but this is super heavy. So when you are wearing it for a longer time, be ready to face it. So yeah, this is it. You can get the image this side, and as usual the prices will be there. And yeah, this is quite big and quite beautiful. Like every bloggers and influencers are wearing this, so I grab it. So yeah, this is it. So guys, speaking about the last piece, is this another dainty earring. So I don't know, like dainty pieces I cannot show you, only like this is the piece. I love this, guys. I love this piece. Like according to me, this is one of the cutest piece I have ever had. Like I will be styling it in one of my Instagram video in the upcoming days. So be ready to check it out. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, do check me out. So yeah, this is very nice. Sorry guys, I feel like last all the earrings I have shown in this hand, and due to the mehendi and everything going on, you could not get it, but through the image I hope you can get it clarified, because those are clicked by me or by from the Instagram store I got them. So yeah, you can get them easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you want more such contents, do comment down below, and if you have any queries or something, do let me know in the comment section. I would love to answer. And yeah, till then, stay safe. Do subscribe to my channel because I need your support, guys. And yeah, let's see each other in the next video. Till then, bye bye. And yeah, happy belated Diwali to the lovely peoples out there. Bye bye.